There is a full bathroom down here in the basement that's getting redone, and last week our homeowner Megan picked out the tile for this room, but her job is not over yet. Megan, Lincoln, Mark, how are you?
Hey Kevin, good seeing you.
So you guys still up for this job? You laying your own tile, learning how to do it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we're excited.
Why tile? What are you thinking?
Well, we're both pretty handy, but we never actually done tile before, and so we figured this would be a great opportunity for us to get our hands dirty.
All right. Well, we've got everything we need, including the tile you picked out, Megan, which was a faux marble, cheaper than the real stuff.
A lot cheaper, yeah.
But just as durable and good for you to put down?
A lot more durable.
A lot more. Well, there you go. More for your money. All right. So where do you want to start with these guys?
Well, we're going to make some thin set and let them get their hands dirty. We don't use any water with this. We use a latex additive. Gives the floor flexibility. Okay, which one of you guys wants the mixer?
I'll do it.
All right, just hold it in there. Okay, pull the trigger, Megan. Go ahead. Atta girl, go. Okay, I got a layout, and we're going to start with a hole here, up against the tub, and the next tile here will be a hearth. That creates the running bond pattern. By the time we get down to here, we're going to have the whole tile in front of the toilet. There'll also be a 6.5-inch piece on the inside wall and on the outside wall. And the same thing will carry all the way down, and it's a large piece up against the vanity wall, so the appearance is all big, no small pieces. So now we'll cut a hearth. Okay, Megan, this is a wet machine. There's a pump inside here that pumps water onto this blade. It's a diamond blade, and it'll cut the tile. So,
Super
cool. Yep. Now what you do is, once you turn this on, you just bring the wheel down slowly and go a couple of times. And as you go back and forth, you press it down a little bit more.
Okay.
You just keep on going back and forth until you go through the tile.
Okay, and so it's a gentle pressure?
Yeah, just a little bit of pressure. Once you get the mark in there, then you can put a little more pressure on it.
Okay, and you just sort of hold the tile like this?
Yeah, just hold it right there and go for it. Perfect. Now, when you spread it, you should skim over it, just like this. I'm using the thin side here just to grind it in.
Okay.
So we're making sure that the thin set's really grabbing to the floor.
Okay.
Then we're going to take some more and use the notch side. Okay, so now we're going to back butter the tile. What that means is we're going to put the thin set on the back of the tile, just like spreading butter on toast. You want to wiggle it around a little bit. Put these in like this. These keep the tile from getting a lot of lippage. Every tile has to get back butted.
Okay.
Reason why is because this is wet, that thin set's wet, it's gonna grab. You know it's not going anywhere. Lincoln, if you want to spread right there, if you keep your trowel on a 45, way up, that's it. Don't be afraid. That's what we want here. We want to hear that scraping. Again, when you set it down, it's best to go in corner first, then straighten it out. Okay, now just wiggle it. Excellent. I take these wedges, put them into the spacers, and we squeeze it down, and it brings the tiles so there's no lippage.
Okay, look at this team working, huh? I saw some good back buttering going on there, Mark. So Megan, Lincoln, you guys still good with the decision to learn and do it yourself? What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. A little sheen of sweat, not bad. Mark, how much longer do you think they have?
We got a couple hours.
Yeah?
Then we'll be all done.
All right, well, we appreciate you sticking with them and showing it. Nice job, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.